Hi, this video going to show you how to change the date and time on the camera systems. First, you click the menu, then log in with your password or parent. Then go to configuration, general. You're going to see the general tab here. So they have the two things you need to adjust. One is the system date. You see here, when you go to the calendar here, they show you what exactly date you like. Like say you want to switch to 20 or March, something like a 20. Here's the time. It's the mandatory time. So it's going to show you 13 on 1 p.m. then like 14 for 2 p.m. After finish, click apply, then double check here. You ready to go? All right, thank you.